Welcome to a world where the wild meets luxury, where the sun kisses the earth, where your adventure begins. Welcome to Kenya's hotels and resorts. In the vast of Africa, there lies a country that's a tapestry of vibrant cultures, awe-inspiring landscapes and teeming wildlife. This is Kenya, a top-tier travel destination that never ceases to enchant its visitors with its unspoiled beauty and charm. But the allure of Kenya doesn't at its vast savannas, towering mountains, or its sparkling coastlines. It extends to its luxurious hotels and resorts where hospitality is not just a service, but a rich tradition deeply embedded in the Kenyan culture. These establishments serve as gateways to the country's abundant natural beauty and cultural heritage. From the bustling cityscape of Nairobi to the tranquil beaches of Mombasa, from the rugged terrains of the Great Rift Valley to the shadow of the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro, these hotels and resorts are as diverse as the country itself. They are not merely places to rest your head after a day of exploration, but they are destinations in their own right. Imagine waking up to the soft roars of lions from a tented camp in the Masai Mara, or your morning coffee as you watch the sun rise over the Indian Ocean from a beach resort in Diani. Picture yourself dining under the stars in the middle of the Amboseli National Park, or unwinding in a hot spring spa in Lake Bogoria. These are not just holidays but experiences that tug at your heart and linger in your memory long after you've left. Kenya's hotels and resorts are more than just brick and mortar. They are a celebration of the country's rich culture, a testament to its diverse wildlife, and a tribute to its exquisite landscapes. They are the heart and soul of Kenya, a country that's as vibrant and diverse as the people who call it home. So, buckle up as we embark on a virtual tour, exploring these magnificent hotels and resorts nestled in the heart of Kenya. As we close this scene, if you're enjoying this virtual tour, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Our first stop, the world-class hotels that Kenya boasts of. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, the sun gently peeking through the curtains, and the promise of an adventurous day ahead. This is the experience that Kenya's luxury hotels offer, nestled in the heart of this vibrant country. Each hotel, an oasis of tranquility and comfort, is a testament to the nation's warmth and hospitality. First on the list is the majestic Fairmont Mount Kenya Safari Club. It's a place where modern comfort meets timeless elegance. Located at the foot of Mount Kenya, this hotel is renowned for its unique blend of comfort, tranquility, and adventure. Its architecture, a charming blend of colonial charm and African aesthetics, is a sight to behold. Then we have the opulent Hemingway's Nairobi, a boutique hotel that exudes an old-world charm. It's a place where luxury is a standard and every room tells a story. From personalized butler services to a dedicated concierge, Hemingway's Nairobi ensures an unforgettable stay. Next, we journey to the coastal region of Kenya, where we find the Swahili Beach Resort. A harmonious blend of Arabic, Indian, and East African architecture, the resort is a testament to Kenya's rich cultural history. Its lush gardens, intricate designs, and panoramic views of the Indian Ocean make it an idyllic paradise. Venturing into the wilderness, we find the Olari Mara Kempinski. Located in the heart of the Masai Mara National Reserve, this luxury-tented camp offers an unparalleled safari experience. Here you are not just a guest but a part of the vibrant ecosystem. Finally, we have the Serene Tribe Hotel, nestled in the leafy suburbs of Nairobi. Its modern design and world-class amenities make it a haven for those seeking a blend of urban sophistication and traditional Kenyan charm. Each of these hotels offers a unique experience tailored to cater to the discerning traveler. They're more than just hotels, they are a testament to Kenya's hospitality, a blend of comfort, luxury, and a touch of the exotic. These luxurious abodes are not just places to rest but a journey into opulence and grandeur. From the bustling cities we now move to the serene countryside, to the resorts nestled amidst nature. In the heartland of Kenya, a country known for its diverse landscapes, are resorts that offer a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds, the sight of the rising sun over the horizon, and the smell of fresh air. This is a common experience in these resorts, for they are cradled by nature's own arms. Let's start with a resort that's a stone's throw away from Mount Kenya, the country's highest peak. Known for its luxurious accommodations and top-notch service, it also offers a plethora of activities such as guided nature walks, bird watching, and even mountaineering for the more adventurous. The resort's unique location allows guests to immerse themselves in nature without sacrificing comfort and luxury. Next, we travel to the edge of the Great Rift Valley, where a resort overlooks a vast expanse of wilderness. It's a place where the wild meets comfort. Here you can enjoy a morning cup of coffee while watching zebras and gazelles grazing nearby. The resort also offers guided game drives, giving you a chance to get up close and personal with Kenya's wildlife. Further down south, near the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, sits a beachfront resort. The rustling palm trees and the rhythmic sound of waves crashing against the shore make it a perfect retreat for those seeking tranquility. Here you can indulge in water sports, explore the coral reefs, or simply lounge by the beach watching the world go by. Each of these resorts has its own charm, its own allure. They offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, a chance to reconnect with nature. They provide a perfect blend of comfort, adventure, and serenity, offering a unique experience that's quintessentially Kenyan. These resorts are your haven for tranquility and excitement, all rolled into one. But it's not just about the stay, it's about the memories you create and the adventures you embark on. Indeed, the hotels and resorts of Kenya are not just places to rest your head, they are the starting points of numerous exciting journeys. Each one offers a unique blend of activities that cater to a variety of tastes and preferences. For those who yearn to feel the thrill of adventure coursing through their veins, wildlife safaris are an absolute must. Here, you can witness the majestic beauty of nature's creations, from the towering giraffes nibbling on the tops of acacia trees to the powerful lions prowling the savannah. It's a sight to behold, an experience that leaves you in awe of the circle of life. If water is your element, the Kenyan coast presents a world of opportunities. The azure Indian Ocean, home to a myriad of marine species, invites you to partake in water sports such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and deep-sea fishing. The waves roll and crash, beckoning surfers to ride their crests. For those who prefer a more laid-back experience, cultural tours provide a fascinating insight into Kenya's rich history and diverse traditions. Visit local villages, interact with the people, and immerse yourself in their way of life. It's a journey of understanding, of appreciation, of connection. And let's not forget the hiking trails that wind through breathtaking landscapes, up majestic mountain peaks, and across expansive plains. Each step you take, each breath of fresh mountain air you inhale, is a testament to the raw beauty of Kenya's natural environment. Perhaps you're seeking tranquility, a moment of solitude to reconnect with yourself. Yoga and meditation sessions are offered amidst serene surroundings, allowing you to find your inner peace. There's something for everyone in Kenya, regardless of your age or interests. You can choose to be an adventurer, a historian, a nature lover, or a peace seeker. It's all up to you. Every activity here is a chance to create a new story, a new memory. So, what will your Kenyan story be? And what's a journey without savoring the local cuisine? As we navigate through the rich tapestry of Kenyan culture, it's impossible to overlook the vibrant culinary scene. The hotels and resorts here are not just about luxurious accommodations and thrilling activities. They also serve as gateways to the country's diverse gastronomic landscape. Let's begin with the breakfast. Kenyan breakfasts are hearty affairs. Most hotels offer a delightful mix of continental and traditional dishes. Picture a spread of fresh fruits, hot chapatis, and mandazi, a type of Kenyan donut. There's also ugali, a cornmeal staple that pairs wonderfully with sukuma wiki, a collard greens dish. For the adventurous palate, there's nyama choma, Kenya's national dish. It's a barbecue dish, often made with goat, served with kachumbari, a fresh tomato and onion salad. Many resorts even organize live grill sessions for you to witness the cooking process firsthand. The coastal region brings a whole new flavor profile. Swahili cuisine, with its Arabic and Indian influences, is a delight for seafood lovers. Picture this: a plate of prawn pilau, a spiced rice dish, or maybe some samaki wa kupaka, a coconut fish curry, all fresh from the sea. And let's not forget the international cuisine. Most luxury resorts offer a range of global favorites, from Italian pasta to Indian curries, from English breakfast to French pastries. The culinary scene is truly a melting pot of cultures. Of course, no meal is complete without a cup of Kenyan coffee or tea. Known worldwide for their quality, these beverages are the perfect end to any meal. And for those with a sweet tooth, there's always room for dessert. Try the Kenyan kaimati, sweet dough balls dipped in syrup, or the amani, a coconut and rice dessert. So come, embark on this culinary journey and let your taste buds explore the flavors of Kenya. So, there you have it, a virtual tour of Kenya's hotels and resorts. We've traveled from the hidden gems to luxurious abodes, nestled amidst the beauty of nature. we've dived into a plethora of activities, each one more exciting than the last. And of course, our taste buds have embarked on a culinary journey, sampling Kenya's diverse and delicious cuisine. Kenya awaits you with open arms, ready to offer you an experience like no other. So when are you packing your bags for this incredible journey?